How to update all the sheets in one time. Means how to update new revision just and description checked approved. These all information how to update in one time. Just now in I see here that up to C3 revision is already updated. Oh, first sheet is already upon open. Just opening level 3. Here is also same thing. So I see all the sheets is updated till revision C3. Opening fifth floor level. Here is also same. So now I have to add new revision C4 and today date, same description issued for construction. So first go to this sheet schedule, and I see here there is parameters is not added in this schedule. Just add to parameters. These are the parameters will come on that column. Revision 6 date issued by, so up to 6, this select all and add. So the parameter has been added. Okay, type here whatever requirement that revision. We have to fill revision C4 date, today date 18/4/2020, issued by, just I am filling my name. Revision description issued for construction, checked by, just I am filling Vinod name, Vinod Paul, approved JR John Richards. And here current revision means on the bottom of the title, that corner, right hand corner and bottom side. So here also we will fill current revision C4. So one sheet has been added. So now click on the sorting group description, just sort by description. Just uncheck itemize every instance. Okay, just update in this sheet. Again click on this sorting group, check this one, this, and okay. Now that we can see that in couple of minutes all the sheets has been updated. Just I'm opening one sheet. Here we can see this new revision has been added. C4 today date issued for construction, checked and approved. If you see in the bottom, here is also revision updated. Just for checking up, we check next sheet. This one is also updated. So in couple of minutes all the sheets new revision has been updated. Just I'm checking this other sheets, level 7. Yeah, exactly, it is has been updated. So this video is mainly for that, how to update all the sheets in one time. Thank you very much for everyone.